Hello friends, it's Kelly back with another process video. This process video I'm showing you a design team project using this cut file, The Sweet Life, from Cut to You. So I cut it out here and I'm showing you the cut file and I just did a basic cut out of it. I'm using the Fashionista line from Echo Park paper. And I'm also using this black and white spotted paper from Illustrated Faith. And I plan on using the majority of my embellishments and papers will all come from this Fashionista page set or collection. It's still early. I'm trying to wake up. So I'm scrapping these pictures of my granddaughter Emery and her friend, one of my best friend's daughters, and we had taken them right before school started to get pedicures, and that's kind of been my tradition with Emery is every year right before school starts we go get pedis. And it was funny because they were sitting there and they both, we should do this every week. And I was like, we will as soon as you guys get jobs. And all the ladies in the place were laughing because they just don't understand. These things can get very expensive. Anyway, so I somehow deleted some footage, and it was of me outlining and putting together this cut file. All I did was pop up the letters, The Sweet Life. I popped those up on some foam and outlined them with a white Posca pen, which is just a very opaque white pen, to give them a little more definition on the page. And then I'm going to back the photos here on this colorful kind of paint swatch pattern paper, and I liked it because it had all the colors that I wanted to use. And I had also backed I had created a border around the layout using that same paper, that same pattern. So I wanted to pull in that paper just a little bit more here. So this is a pretty simple layout. I let the title here do most of the work for me. But I will be using some of the elements from this sticker sheet to embellish with. And that says it's a girl thing because, right? It's a girl thing. It's so fun to go get your nails done and relaxing. And they have the cutest little chairs this is a place we've gone before, but they have these cute little like Hello Kitty chairs that are just their size, so they feel pretty special. And I'm determined to use these elements, so you will see me shifting things around quite a bit because I'm trying to find just the right spots. And I'm creating kind of a diagonal type design. So as you see, I have the picture there in the upper left corner and then another one there in the bottom right corner. And that's kind of how I intend to embellish along that path. I like how it leads your eye, kind of, so you start. I feel like the first thing you see, obviously, is the title in this particular case, but your eye is led around the page through that path, that diagonal path. But as you will see, I end up creating another embellishment cluster in the bottom left corner, so just something felt off balance. So as we do, I just move things around until I'm happy with the design. I really want to use that glamour banner piece, so it moves around quite a bit, as you will see. Sometimes the pieces just don't fit, do they? And so I just felt like it needed something, another cluster of embellishments, so I start layering things like I do down here in this left corner, and I'm happier with the design after I come up with that idea, because it was bothering me. I couldn't get it to work. And this is one thing that I pulled in. I had gone to Hobby Lobby just like the day before this and found these little tiny flowers from the paper boutique, and they are so cute. So I'll probably be using those a lot here on my next few layouts, because I got them in all sorts of colors, but they're the perfect little filler piece, and I like them because they act as my finishing touch, my little confetti element. So, and they were half off, so yay. And these are some enamel dots that I got that I decided that was enough. So that is the end of this process video. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week and you get some scrapping done. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Thanks and have a great day.